Okay, so Asics have sent me two huge boxes and I'm very much excited to open them, unbox them and show it to you guys because I know what is in there, but I have also peeked what is there in which box because there are two packages here and I was so excited when I received this box and I was on the trip. Basically, when I came home, I saw this box and I was like, damn, let's go. So I am very much excited to share this with you guys. So without wasting any of the time, let's start with the video. What is up, people? This one Kamle, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, unbox this. Let's open this, unwrap this. This is really soft. Okay, now this is first time I am experiencing this. This is soft to the touch. This is really soft. So this is a Tata Mumbai Marathon t-shirt. This is a really bright aqua blue color. I loved it. So every year in Mumbai there is a marathon known as Tata Mumbai Marathon and it is powered by Asics. So Asics have created a limited edition merch. They have t-shirts, shorts and sneakers. So other box has the sneakers. But before starting with the unboxing of the sneaker, I just want to wear this. For some reason I want to wear this. Let's go.
2 minutes later.
Okay, I am back with a good feel and now let's unbox the sneakers. And I have not really unboxed it, but I have just seen that there is a sneaker in here. So how do I remove this now? So here are the sneakers. Let's unbox them now. I am so excited to see the sneaker because the colors look fantastic. Just have a look. It is bright. Let's unwrap it. So this is Asics Gel KAYANO 31 TMM edition. So this is a clean, bright, sleek and a comfy looking sneaker. This looks amazing in the hand. The color on the shoes definitely stands out and that is what I love the most on this pair. Okay, so there is a lot of different things I want to talk about the sneaker. There are a lot of different details on the sneaker I want to share with you guys. I want to share the pricing, the fit, the comfort, most importantly. So watch this video till the end so you get to know everything. So the upper of the shoes is made out of that engineered mesh which increases the breathability of the shoes. We also get to see that Asics logo in that gradient colorway on the side lateral. You also get to see the badging of Gel KAYANO 31 on one side of the heel and the other side of the heel says Tata Mumbai Marathon 20th edition. And now coming to the most interesting part about this sneaker, and that is on the midsole. You see the Mumbai skyline printed there in that neon green colorway and that adds a very special touch to the shoes. This makes these shoes feel very homely. I am from Pune, but still a Mumbai sneaker, a Mumbai shoes, it feels like it's just an amazing thing to have. Asics, if you guys invite me or if you guys want me to run there, I don't know if I can make it through the finish line, but I'll still try to run my kilometer or two, something like that, at least. Now coming back to the shoes and the most important thing on this, that is the comfort level. So the midsole on this makes the shoes very iconic because this is divided in three parts. They have used three different technologies to make sure you get a comfortable run all the way long. So this midsole has that Flight Foam Blast Plus technology used, which is one of the most comfortable technology Asics has and they use in this KAYANO series. Then under the heel you get that pure gel technology which will definitely absorb all your shocks and that adds to the comfort as well. Then in the center of the shoes you have that 4D guidance system which will help you have a stable run. Then after all of this, the hybrid Asics grip on the outsole will help you to have all the grip you want. Two more things I will definitely love to point out which will help you have a great run and which will make you feel very comfortable. You get a pretty solid heel cup here which will make sure your heel stays in place and you feel locked in. And talking about locked in, you get a pretty solid tongue lock system inside the shoes and which adds to that feeling where you feel secure inside your shoes. And now I just want to talk about the lifestyle aspect of the shoes. See, this is a very bright shoes, I know, but it is very much a Mumbai based shoes. It will represent Mumbai, it does represent Mumbai and they have beautiful detailing on it. It is a very beautiful color. It is very loud but still a very beautiful color. Just in general, if you want to have a very comfortable sneaker, this is a very solid option. And now talking about the fit and sizing of the shoes. So this definitely fits true to size. So if you are UK 8, just go for UK 8. If you are UK 10, just go for UK 10. Just stick to your size. And talking about the pricing on this shoes retails for 16,999 rupees. That is almost 17,000 rupees. Okay, one last thing I would definitely like to tell you guys. If you play any sports and if that sports allows you to wear a bright shoes, definitely go for a bright shoes. Like definitely go for it, because that creates a different positive environment around you, that creates a great aura, that creates a charisma, and it uplifts your mood instantly. Because I know this, because I play football and I have the brightest football shoes, brightest football cleats, whatever you want to call it. So yes, whatever you play, whatever you do, just have a bright sports shoes. Like whatever your sports is, just have a bright one, because normally in day-to-day life we go for neutral shoes which will match our outfit, but when coming to sports, you need to be the brightest one on the field. Make sure you have something like this. Just look at this Mumbai skyline here. This is the most attractive part here. I love this pair, and if you want to grab it, I have linked it in the description, and in the description there is more information about the Tata Mumbai Marathon. It is on 19th of January, I believe, 2025. Do check it out. So with all of this, I would love to say thank you to Asics for this, and with that, thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.